Hello, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today's topic is pronouns and kinds of pronouns. Let's get started. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun, often because the Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun. Now the question arises, why is it necessary to replace a noun? It is so because the person or thing has been already mentioned earlier. So, to avoid the monotony or boredom or to maintain the flow of language, we use pronouns. For example, it, she, something, myself, etc. Example sentence: he is playing cricket. Kinds of pronouns. There are 10 kinds of pronouns. Let's see one by one. Number 1, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are simple pronouns that are used to substitute proper names. For example, I, you, he, she, him, her, she, us, etc. Example sentence: I like him. I and him both are personal pronouns. Now there are 2 kinds of personal pronouns. Number 1, subject pronouns. Number 1, subject pronouns. The pronouns that perform the action in a sentence or simply which are used at the subject place are subject pronouns, like I, you, we, he, she, it, one, etc. We begin our sentence with these pronouns. Example sentence: she and I both are invited. Now, she and I both are subject place pronouns. Number 2, object pronouns. Object pronouns. The pronouns that receive the action in a sentence or used at the object place are object place pronouns. Examples: me, us, him, her, and them all are examples of object pronouns. Example sentence: mother called us. Number 2 is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. The pronouns that do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing are indefinite pronouns. For example, someone, somebody, somewhere, something, each, none, few, many, etc. Example sentence: no one wants to eat anything. Next one, interrogative pronouns. The pronouns that are used to ask questions are interrogative pronouns. Examples: who, what, when, why, and where. Example sentence: who worked there? Next one is demonstrative pronouns. The pronouns that are used to point to specific objects are demonstrative pronouns. Examples: this, that, these, and those. Example sentence: this pen is precious. Next one is reflexive pronouns. Now the pronouns that are used to refer back to the subject in the sentence are reflexive pronouns. These are objects in a sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, herself, himself, oneself, yourself, etc. Example sentence: he blamed himself for the accident. Now the himself is referring back to the pronoun he, and it is the object in a sentence. Next one is intensive or emphatic pronouns. These are identified same as reflexive pronouns. For example, myself, yourself, himself, etc. But these used to emphasize a pronoun and not as an object. Example sentence: I myself baked a cake. Now in this example, myself is just emphasizing pronoun I, and if we remove myself from the sentence, nothing would happen to the sense of the sentence. That's why it is called intensive or emphatic pronouns. Next one, possessive pronouns. Now, the name itself is telling the pronouns that are used to show possession are possessive pronouns. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its. Example sentence: this house is mine. Now, mine is showing the possession of the house. Next one is relative pronouns. The pronouns that are used to relate one part of the sentence to another are relative pronouns. These are 5 in number. That, which, who, whom, and whose are relative pronouns. Example sentence: this is the cat which I bought. Next one is reciprocal pronouns. The pronouns that are used to express a mutual relationship are reciprocal pronouns. Examples: each other and one another. Example sentence: they hugged each other. The last one is distributive pronoun. A distributive pronoun considers members of a group separately rather than collectively. Examples: either, neither, some, both, others, etc. Example sentence: each of the students won the prize. That is all about pronouns and its kinds. Hopefully, you all have understood it nicely and easily. That is all for today. Take care. Bye.